And just like that, we travel from Batu to Andy's backyard / Toy Story Land. You can see the big footprints. We have shrunk down to the size of toys, Jesse.
I love it.
And we're gonna go over to our Slinky Dog Fast Pass, which should cut down the 90-minute wait time in half. Not necessarily walk on.
Slightly quicker. Sort of like the mining.
The mine train when we went on, slightly quicker. Jesse's first time on the ride.
Can't wait. I love me a roller coaster.
I'm Slinky Dog.
A little map of Andy's backyard and the roller coaster. Ah, there's a shark on the truck. We got the back row. Yahtzee. Here we go. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Here we go. Ooh, back row. Hold on. Galaxy's Edge.
You can hear Slinky Dog
The boosters. Oh, we're going back.
G.O. means go.
Here we go.
Go, go, go. Going up. Woo. Down. Woo. Galaxy's Edge again. Or Batu, sorry.
The big finale.
Hey, howdy, hey, toys, and welcome to Toy Story.
Here we go. We got in line for a 55-minute wait, and it was a lot shorter.
What, 55 minutes?
Yeah,
We've only been here for 15.
yeah. We had a little detour round backstage to a different part of the line, and a lot faster than we anticipated. Jesse's going down. Who are we gonna get on our cart? Not yet. That one's Wheezy. That one's
We get
Bullseye.
Woody, I think.
We get Woody.
Woody's Roundup.
Show you the warm up. But I have to have two hands for the real one.
Our command will be
Well, maybe I can't do this. Maybe I can do it.
Here's the name and exhaust by night. All the animals. If you want to choose further, aim higher. Keep that box out of the hangout. Nicely done. Yeah. Hurry, you're running out of time.
Woohoo! 24,000.
I have more accuracy.
Just, you're always more accurate than I.
Look, the string goes up here after you pull.
Go, 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 go.
I did nothing.
You were amazing!
I got nothing.
50,000. You got 13,000 that game.
Hey, I'm still better.
Let's see who wins.
Sean is. We already know this.
You let me win for my birthday.
I wish I was so.
What do we get? 189. Jesse wasn't. Yay! I'm not bad for this hour. Best in vehicle.
Hey, I got better accuracy than you.
You
37 both.
you did get better accuracy, but look at that score.
It's true, but I'm not that far off, right? Like only a couple.
Not bad. One of your better showings.
Ooh.
Actually,
I
forget.
almost beat you one time.
Now we can document it. So next time we can look back and see.
I am green. I am not you. All
That
the
was
other
fun.
games are lasers, and I can never tell if
Laser.
it's my laser or your laser or whose
Ah,
laser.
we're back. And bye-bye. And the new Toy Story sit-down restaurant is suspected to go behind those walls and trees. It's like the Incredibles section. See Jack's imprints. He's been climbing around and breaking through the wall.
Oh, that's so cool. I didn't notice.
You get your cookie num-nums here. Right there. Yep, and Jack's up there. So we walked from Hollywood Studios to the boardwalk on our way to Epcot. It's taken us about 10 minutes from the start of the trail to get to the boardwalk at a faster pace.